These iconic classic cars aren't just vehicles. They are pieces of history that changed the world of automotive design forever. Let's start with the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. Introduced in 1954, this beauty featured groundbreaking Gullwing doors and became the world's first supercar with a top speed of 257.5 km/h. Next up, the Jaguar E-Type. Launched in 1961, this car turned heads worldwide. Enzo Ferrari himself called it the most beautiful car ever made, and it's easy to see why. The Lamborghini Miura, introduced in 1966, is often credited with starting the supercar revolution. With a powerful V12 engine, it pushed the limits of performance and design like never before. These cars have stood the test of time. From speed to beauty, they're still icons today. Which one is your dream car? Tell us in the comments.